let's explore the peg leg twist, which is a good stretch for the glutes and sometimes the lower back as well. So clues in the name, we're going to have one peg leg. It's going to be firm, it's going to be stiff, it's going to be made of wood, it's not going to move. So plant one leg down, lock the knee out, lock the foot into the floor. It now cannot move. What you're going to do is twist towards the same side leg. So if your right leg is down, you're going to twist your chest to the right. If your left leg is down, you're going to twist your chest to the left. So for me, my right leg is down. I'm going to twist the chest across to the right. So I really want to think about opening up here, bring the chest up, and then reach out and across. If we want to make the stretch deeper, we bring our free leg around a little bit more. We make a T position with the feet, and we twist that little bit more, and we keep going. If we really want to make the stretch even deeper, we can lean back a touch, and this should hit the glute nicely. Give that one a go.